guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'm gonna create this makeup look. So this is a Raksha Bandhan kind of a makeup look. So I know हम लोग कोरोना वायरस के सिचुएशन में कहीं भी बाहर नहीं जा रहे हैं सेलिब्रेट करने, पर थोड़ा सा मेकअप करने में कोई दिक्कत नहीं होगी and little bit of makeup will not hurt anyone. So why not to get ready and dress up like this and click some photographs. So enjoy with your brother or sister and celebrate this festival. So without any further ado, let's get into the video. But before that, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Also hit that bell notification so you'll get notified every time I'll drop a video. So without any further ado, let's get inside.
So for today's makeup, I'm going to do my eyes first, and for that I'm going to use the Swiss Beauty concealer in the shade 03 Light Moon. Once I'm done with concealer, I'm going to move on with the Makeup Revolution into Tammy Tropical Carnival palette, and from that palette I'm going to use the peachy orange shade and will mix the two and apply it on my crease. After that, I'll cut the crease and will apply the golden copper shade. That's a shimmery shade. For the mascara, I'll be using the Faces Canada Magnet Eyes Mascara. Once I'm done with my eye makeup, I'm going to remove the Face Shop Blackhead Removal Strip. To prep my skin, I'll be using the Pond's Super Light Gel. For primer, I'll be using the Blue Heavens Primer. For foundation, I'm going to move on with the Maybelline Fit Me in the shade 230 Natural Buff. For concealer, again I'll be using the Swiss Beauty concealer, and I'm going to hide all my acne and acne scars. From the past couple of days, I'm noticing that I have this glow on my face. जो देखने में लगता है कि बिकॉज आई हैव एन ऑयली स्किन उसके वजह से ऑयल सिक्रीट हो रहा है, या बिकॉज बहुत ज़्यादा गर्मी है तो उसके वजह से है, पर मेरे फेस के काफ़ी हाई पॉइंट्स पे वो एक अलग सा ही ग्लो है. जो मैंने मॉइस्चराइज़र नहीं भी लगाया था तब भी वो ग्लो था. For blush, I'll be using the Wet n Wild color icon in the shade Mellow Wine. I haven't done makeup in a while because of the ongoing situation on my face. I have been staying away from makeup because of my acne issues. For contour, I'll be using the Sugar Mini Contour in the shade Woody Wonder. For highlighter, I'll be using the Maybelline Master Chrome in the shade Molten Gold. For my eyebrows, I'll be using the Etude House Drawing Eyebrow Pencil in the shade Grey. For my lipstick, I'll be using the Nika Mattelicious in the shade Jade Rose.
So that's it for today. I hope you found this tutorial helpful and I shall see you in my next video. Till then, bye bye and take care.